Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. You are here at Viber's Kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Today we are making homemade condensed milk from scratch and we need few ingredients to achieve this. So let's get started. This is my 2 cups of whole milk and also 1 cup of sugar. We're going to pour it in the saucepan and add the sugar, and then we start stirring it from there. We need the sugar to dissolve and also to help thicken the milk. You need to do this on a low to medium heat level, and even if you do it on a high heat level, make sure that you are always standing by it, stirring it constantly to avoid it being burned and also boiling over. Keep stirring like this so it thickens up. It's beginning to thicken up, and that means we are doing a good job. Also, continue to scrape the milk from the side of the saucepan and put it back in the milk. Alright? Keep stirring to avoid it being burned from the bottom and also from being lumpy. The level was up there and now the level is down. We are doing a good job, guys. Let's keep it up. Now, scrape all the foamy substance from the surface or the top of the milk, and once that is done, let's add baking soda. Baking soda will help thicken up the milk, and guys, we'll be done with the milk process. Once we put the baking soda in the milk, it will turn very frothy, but that shouldn't scare us, okay? Let's keep stirring and stirring and stirring. That is what I'm doing. Keep stirring and also make sure that at this point your heat is very low, or else your milk will boil over, and 1, you will create a mess for yourself. 2, you will do cost 90 job. Alright, so avoid all of that. Now that the milk is cooled down, you're going to scrape the fatty substance from the surface. And now look at that. It's so thick, it's so beautiful, and it's so easy to make. Can you see that? Wow. And just like that, guys, we are done. Let's give it some more time to cool down. And mind you, as it's cooling down, then it's also thickening up. So be careful and be watchful, okay? Just watch it and see how you want your milk to be. Do you want it light? Do you want it in between? Or very thick? I'm done. This is how thick mine is. I love the consistency, and it's a bit on the yellow side, but it's all good. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, and also if you are new, click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button as well to get more updates from me. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and thank you for commenting. I hope you are inspired. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and be good. I love you. Bye bye. Mwah.